This podcast is brought to you by
Protege Design,
an interior design firm that values functionality,
creativity, craftsmanship, and stories that matter.
You're listening to Chill Party Podcast with your host Eddie Hassan
Hakim Nasirullah
dan yang lain-lain tengah mandi berkemban di rumah. Selamat datang dan selamat kembali di episod seterusnya dengan Chill Party. Selamat dan semoga anda semua terhibur dengan episod-episod kami. Just a big moment for us guys, that Chill Party sebenarnya we managed to get our first collaboration dengan kita punya tetamu terhormat, Protege Design. Thank you so much. Terima kasih kerana sebab percaya dengan platform kecil kita ni. Dan juga kami sangat membesar hati because this is not only an episode but it's a content whereby we are going to have our product talk with both of you presenting Protege Design. So maybe before we begin, shall we promote what you have and also at the same time why should we or why our listeners out there, clients kat luar should choose Protege Design? Maybe we can begin please.
Okay, we go with the promotion first.
Yes, please.
So, currently kita ada promotion. So, if any one of you yang sign with us, okay, let's say the quotation is below 20,000, you will get a $500 vouchers from us.
Okay.
Right. And
$500
yeah, betul. And then if the quotation is above $20,000, you will get a $1,000 vouchers from us. So, voucher ni dua is NTUC voucher.
And
also
half NTUC vouchers and then half is Gain City.
Dapat CDC, dapat voucher. Baloi lah cik.
NTUC.
NTUC.
Tak kan government kasih CDC.
Itu government kita tak sponsor ataupun government tak collaborate dengan kita. Okay, jadi that's a very good untuk para pendengar Cici Padi atau Muchachos kat luar sana. Come on lah guys, come on and visit dia punya social, and at the same time you also can call them at this number that is 88070203, and also you can follow their social at Protege Design on FB dan juga IG. Okay, maybe let's go back to our main goal today. Why should they choose Protege Design? Kenapa?
Kenapa they should choose us? Okay, usually kan kalau orang nak bikin rumah, diorang ni macam excited tau. They will always scroll on IG ke atau Pinterest to see what kind of design they want, what kind of colours they want to use, what kind of concept. But actually without them knowing, before they should choose all of this, they should actually do some plannings. They nak kena backtrack sikit.
Planning
mesti. Sebab rumah kan,
betul.
It's important, and they are not spending like $20, $200. They are spending like 5
digits.
Yeah, 5 digit numbers.
5 digit
Many money.
Many money.
There's a lot of money.
There's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Correct.
So maybe what I can ulaskan kita punya Sarah cakap lah Sarah cakap. Sarah cakap sorry, that before you put your 5 digit on the table, you must meet them because of the planning. Now this is where yang kita kebanyakan yang ada pengalaman dengan ID Diorang datang, kita tak nak cakap bangsa mana lah, as long as they secure, lepas tu lu siapa gua siapa. This is personally what I encounter before lah. But other than that, dengan Protege Design lain guys. Ini company anak Melayu kita lah woi.
Aesthetic based design.
Support bangsa kita punya company, and at the same time also dorang akan buatkan korang dengan penuh keyakinan. Professional dengan keyakinan, and they will advise you apa yang sepatutnya dan tak sepatutnya. Tapi apa yang kita nak ketengahkan, pernah tak you encounter yang time planning ni
siapa kau tu?
Silent phone please. Tapi tak apa, it's okay. Jadi korang tahu ni raw kita tak ada main
itu part of the idea design juga.
Nampak? Itu tandanya
props.
masuk tau. Masuk. Okay, tapi bukan itu yang kita nak sampaikan. Tapi during the planning stage, you all pernah encounter yang cases that you wish to share with the listeners out there?
Okay. Okay, why we say planning is important for us bila every client yang datang jumpa kita, it's not something yang kita first thing, of course siapa tak nak tutup sales kan, tapi what we looking at is when you come, you want to do your renovation, we need to know what is your timeline. Kita tak mau janji kosong.
Yep.
If what you will give us like, oh, I actually nak move in 3 weeks, which is not doable, we would not.
Betul.
We will tell you straight, it's not possible.
Correct.
We will try to work it out in a way macam, okay, what can we do? Let's say tiling dulu.
Betul.
But then we will tell you, okay, if you want to do it in these 3 weeks, then your carpentry will be when you dah masuk kat dalam. Because we don't want to overpromise client.
Yalah.
Okay, that's why this is one thing that is very important to us. So kalau what we want to suggest or we want to do a shout out to Muchachos.
Muchachos adiknya Muchachi.
Muchachos keropok.
Kalau janji manis tak ada, janji Diana ada tak?
Habis.
So we want to tell them that whatever you nak buat, you must be very clear of your planning. Sebab if you take, let's say you do a resale flat, you memang nak dapat your kunci, right?
Betul.
But if you only have that certain timeline and you did not like be very clear to us that you need to move in.
Duration
cakap,
dia,
I only got 1 month. But let's say you actually needs to move in by 1 month. If this planning is not really take into this consideration, you might end up tak ada rumah sih.
Betul.
You keluar daripada rumah sana, you nak masuk rumah sini you tak siap sih.
Betul lah.
Yeah, so it's something that is very important lah. For us, that's the first thing that we will ask. How long are you going to give it to us?
This is what we can say, you are accountable of your client punya journey.
Yeah.
Dia bukannya macam
important for them because kita tak nak diorang stranded. Kita tak nak diorang macam, and kita nak tengok for buffers also. Kita tak tahu what will happen.
Buffer? Buffering.
Buffer time.
Buffer time.
Kalau I cakap, are you okay? I'm certain that I can do this in 3 weeks. But I wouldn't want that 3 weeks. I would look at it at 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Because anything that happen in between, you wouldn't know. Maybe delay in something, then client stranded.
You don't want to over-promise but under-deliver, is it?
Betul. That's it.
That is one thing yang I feel that as a professional when we talk about professional is what you promise you deliver. If you cannot promise, don't deliver.
Betul lah.
Ibaratkan janji manis tak ada, janji Diana pun tak ada.
Tak ada. Benda kau cari pun tak ada.
Betul lah. Asal tak keluar-keluar kan. Aku pun hairan kenapa kau tukar. Ada pun. Jadi other than journey macam you guys mention, ada tak pengalaman-pengalaman yang menggembirakan para pendengar Cici Padi bila dengar the previous clients ataupun kita cakap sign ups lah, successful sign up that you ever encountered that you want to share in this podcast? Terkejut ke? Oh tak tak.
I think in the nutshell, Alhamdulillah, our clients are happy. We have every client memang ada diorang punya own story, their own journey because every client is different.
Betul.
Right? So for us, like if you want to say like if you want to take an example, probably we can quote our latest client that we do, the one in Yishun. I think this is something that she's a newlywed lah. Dia first time, then they're excited, you know. But we as an ID sometimes we feel that there are things that we need to go by our way because you know macam kita ada kita punya own timeline, kita punya own schedule, tapi dia excited, you know, everything pun dia nak ada, everything pun she wants to be there. In this thing kan, kita look at it as we respect our client punya excitement.
Ni yang client toilet nak facing each other tu bukan
Best itu baru-baru kahwin okey masa macam baru cakap baru kahwin kan newlywed kan.
Tapi yang newlywed ni tu pun tak nak.
Tak nak toilet facing each other.
So macam for us as long as you tak there's no tak hinder kita punya obstruct kita punya
operation.
We will try to accommodate to everything that they want. Dia mungkin excited lah macam nak pasang ni pun dia nak ada.
Dia even pasang CCTV tau kat rumah.
Mak
your mic tu jangan lari daripada dia. Kalau lari nak kena pakai kasut kerja nanti.
Yeah, so very unique lah. Kita find it very unique.
very unique.
CCTV apa?
Dia pasang CCTV
dalam rumah.
Dalam toilet?
rumah, dalam
Oh, dalam rumah kan, dalam toilet.
sebab dia excited. So nanti dia nampak kita masuk kan. Nanti dia sama CCTV tu motion sensor. So dia akan
Cool.
ikut.
Boleh
mana
berbual
kita
tak?
pergi. Boleh. Sometimes we talk to them. Ni okay tak? Ni okay tak?
Cool.
Dia kita tak pernah nampak klien yang pasang CCTV kat rumah during home renovation kan. Very unique kan. But I mean, even though it's funny to us, but to us we feel that okay, this is the excitement and we want to keep that as a memory.
Maybe I have some idea kat sini. Maybe kita tengah on air ni kan, kita
geram.
tengah on air, tengah recording ni.
99.9 FM.
Tak, kau jangan kacau aku lah. Mungkin satu hari kalau you guys manage to talk to them, kalau diorang willingly to share diorangnya testimonial dekat sini pun, that would be great sih.
InsyaAllah.
Yeah, I think our previous they actually appear lah in one of our marketing. So.
No, I mean that's good lah. Ini bukan nak cakap apa tau, para muchachos. Ini bukan cakap satu tak buat satu. Ini cakap satu buat satu. Faham? Nampak? Terus berbual dah lain. Tak, bukan itu yang kita nak sampaikan. What we want to share here is that of course our collaboration here is kita dah buat research is ada, kita pernah recording together.
Yep.
Dan juga kita understand how both brand works. Alright. So the purpose of us collaborate kat sini ni, kita sama-sama nak naik. Maksudnya naik macam mana? Naik in terms of kebaikan dan juga leave an impact to the society. Itu yang kita looking forward.
Generation. Dengarlah episod 92 dan 93 bersama dengan Protege Design tentang women empowerment.
Lagi banyak. Kau nak lagi tak?
Dah habis.
Jadi okay, kita pun masih ada time lagi. Jadi apa yang you all nak bilang dengan muchachos, ataupun jangan cakap muchachos lah, muchachi pun macam-macam nama lah kita kasih. Tapi what you can tell them that one thing other than your planning, that you think that when they come they can have a certain bit of, atau a little bit of satisfaction.
Maybe the 20k tu alamak. The promo code.
Beside what we are talking about the planning, that's general. What we can say that for us, we handle our clients very closely to us. Like whatever, aside from the needs and the wants, we try to advise them on minimizing more on the wants, because if they haven't start looking into the budget of what they actually need, we wouldn't want them to push on things that they want.
Tapi sorry, I want to agree with you lah, Rina, because why? Kita yang bekerjasama ni pun we feel welcome when we work together with you. Not only when you are engaging dorangnya services, guys, because when we work together so we feel welcome, we feel warm. Bukan panas pasal tak ada aircon
Lupa buka.
Bukan pasal tu. Warm dia macam very homely, and they serve you with sincerity. Itu yang kita perhatikan when we bekerjasama dengan Protege Design.
Yang paling penting dia very responsive.
Responsive.
I think that kind of feeling that you all have is something that kita nak all our clients to have it.
Yes,
betul.
correct.
Yeah, so for them to feel the warmth, for them to feel the sincerity with us, we are not only here to do business, but our business comes together with our clients' experience.
Best.
Yeah, so kalau diorang happy, we are more than that.
Betul.
Because delivering, we earn business. Yes, of course, every business nak maju kan. Tapi client is the most important thing to us, because if we are doing their house, their dream, and think in a place that they're going to stay for many years and create memories. So it is really something that we want to make sure that they are satisfied.
Yes.
Tapi okey lah kalau nak cakap pasal ni kan. Maybe in future kalau I kahwin lagi lah, aku nak buat rumah dengan dorang lah. Macam on. Jatuh tak jatuh boy?
Jatuh tu toilet kadang-kadang.
JTJ jangan tak jadi.
Jatuh ya.
Aduh. Okay, silakan.
Ya, jangan lupa kepada pendengar-pendengar kita, the offer, the promo code that they provided, which is less than 20,000, akan dapat $250 NTUC voucher.
Dan juga $250 worth of Gain City vouchers.
Dengan juga if you spend more than 20,000, you will get $500 NTUC voucher.
And $500 worth of Gain City voucher. And this only applies for first
10
sign up. Marilah. Marilah datang. Marilah, mari.
Nanti kita akan providekan satu special code for you to get this promotion from us.
Para muchachos or Cicil Padi listeners, once you want to inquire with them, just mention Cicil Padi. And if you are texting, put a smiley face punya emoji. Jadi korang nak kena senyum lah selalu. Kurangkan manis dalam minuman, lebihkan manis dalam senyuman.
Alright.
I think we have come to the end of this product talk session. Without further ado, manjada wajada. Thank you so much to both of you. We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.